Defined by world-class luxury and impeccable attention to detail, Seabourn Quest offers a uniquely breathtaking cruise experience. Join us as we explore the amazing amenities offered on board your Seabourn cruise. Throughout the ship, you'll discover refined elegance, from the majestic spiral staircase to the iconic decor and artwork in each space. Relax and socialize at Seabourn Square with pastries and coffee. Enjoy the cozy lounge areas of the club, or take in stunning panoramas from the amazing observation bar. For fresh air, unwind on Seabourn Quest's unforgettable sun deck, which includes a forward-facing sun terrace, a European resort-style central pool, and a secluded aft pool with incredible views. For ultimate tranquility, the spa offers massage and treatment rooms, a salon, sauna, and a well-equipped fitness center. Entertainment options on board are truly enticing. Enjoy golf putting greens, ping pong, and shuffleboard on the sun deck, or play cards in the card room. Try your luck at the casino or enjoy performances in the Grand Salon. Dining on board is unforgettable. The restaurant offers expansive, timeless settings for gourmet meals, while the colonnade serves delectable cuisine from around the world in a welcoming setting. Solis Restaurant provides an amazing dining experience. When you retire to your suite, you'll find some of the finest fixtures at sea. Each accommodation is tailored to the highest expectations, featuring timeless design. The penthouse suite provides a separate bed and living area high on the ship, while the incredible Winter Garden Suite offers a spacious layout and a private glass-enclosed solarium. Whichever cabin you select, Seabourn guarantees a truly sumptuous vacation at every step. Contact your travel advisor today to begin planning your Seabourn Quest cruise.